花さんの日記始まるよ。
When it's cloudy, I don't see you. When it's dark, I lose your spark. And I don't have another moment when you're not around. I know you're my ray of light. Somehow I have lost your sight. I have got mysterious ways to bring you back into my life. And I'm gonna make you mine. 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 When there's a shadow, it gets cold. It's so gloomy when you're gone. Oh, I will wait till you're back. Then the morning light will break. And I'm gonna make you mine. 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 Sunbeam gets into my eyes. Now I see you And I'm gonna make you mine. 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 I'm gonna make you mine.
You know, when this long night will fade away, and we go back to our old ways, two perfect strangers in disguise. When the sun is going to stretch its arms on the road, turn us again with his shrill call into perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget that crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We'll do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Plucking this fruit that's finally ripe for having a last bite. This time we'll start again. He's crazy, right? An ideal place for us to hide. Two perfect strangers in disguise. Back to the sharp grin of everyday life, wearing our armors cold as ice. Two perfect strangers in disguise. But until then, forget our crazy world. Yeah, until then, no need to say a word. We do our best to keep the sunlight from melting down the night. Plucking this fruit that's finally ripe for taking that last bite.
まあでも仕事帰りにこんな
高いやつだと
I'm broken when you're not around. Unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now I'm broken when you're not around. Unspoken words I'm screaming out. Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Now